once again welcome you all to RKP online classes. Today I am going to discuss types of network. You know that network, when more than one devices or computers are connected to each other to share information or data is called network. Now, on the basis of geographical area, on the basis of the geographical area or distance covered by the network, or the area covered by the network, we can categorize network in 5 categories on the basis of geographical area. Basically, we have 5 types of network: PAN, LAN, CAN, MAN, WAN. The first or the smallest network is PAN. PAN stands for Personal Area Network. Okay? Personal Area Network, as the name is telling, personal. It means if you are connecting some devices, some personal devices to each other to share information or data, is called personal area network. It will cover small area like up to 10 to 12 meters. For example, if you have a mobile phone and you are connecting your mobile phone with your laptop, with any other mobile phone, with any desktop computer, okay, or with any other device, by using Bluetooth or by using Wi-Fi or by using data cable. So this is called personal area network. Personal devices you are connecting here. Personal area network. It will cover up to 10 to 12 meters only by using Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, data cable or so. So personal area network is used to connect personal devices such as printer, mobile phones or any other device like speakers or your laptop or computer. Clear, students? Now come to second, that is local area network. Local area network. Now we can talk about the PAN limitation. Limitation of PAN is it will cover the smallest area. If you need the network in a particular building, like one room is here, one room is downside, okay, one room is on ground floor, one room is on top floor, and you want to connect the devices present in both the rooms. So here you can't use PAN if the area is wide. So for this you can use local area network. Now local area network covers up to 1 kilometer. Up to 1 kilometer. So local area network, we can say local area network is present in a particular building. Okay, in a particular building, that is local area network. So the speed will be better of PAN than the LAN, but the area will be good of LAN. The covered area will be good of LAN as compared to the PAN. Now, after that, you need to connect your devices in a particular area, in a particular university you can say, in a factory you can say, in a company, small level company, okay, the office or every department is present at the single location up to 1 to 5 kilometers. It means a network that covers the area of 1 to 5 kilometer is called CAN. So the next network is campus area network. As the name is saying, campus area network. Like universities, if a network present in universities, if you are setting up a network in university, in a factory or departmental wise, like in a university, SS department is there, building of SS department is at one location, head office is at one location, principal office, director office, or any other subject department, they are all are present according to the buildings. Okay, but the area is 1 to 5 kilometers or up to 10 kilometers you can say. So students, campus area network will cover 1 to 5 kilometers, or it is basically used to do the departmental wise task. Speed will be good, okay, and it will cover more area than LAN and PAN. Now, after CAN, come to the MAN. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. Metropolitan Area Network. Clear students? Metropolitan. Now come to cities, Shahar, cities. If you are connecting or if you are setting up a network in cities, multiple cities, for example, branch of a company are present in multiple cities, in Rohtak also, and even you can take the example of cable, okay? You all are using cable at home. So cable, Rohtak cable is here, or any other city cable. So these are the metropolitan area network. So the area of city that will be covered by metropolitan area network. And if you are talking about the countries, see, we are increasing the area, okay? If you are talking about the countries, then WAN will come. Wide area network. Okay, wide area network, not world area network. Wide area network, very big in size. So if you are talking about multiple countries, okay, we are talking about cities, then MAN will come. If we are talking about countries, a network in multiple countries, it is called WAN, wide area network. Now see, in MAN speed will be good, okay, speed will be good, but the cost will be high to set up the network. MAN cost will be high, you need more devices or good technology, advanced technology even, as compared to CAN. So every network, in case of speed, every network is better than the previous one, but in case of area, these are better also in case of area, but in case of cost, these are not good as compared to the smaller, okay, or the previous one. So metropolitan, it will provide good speed, it will cover good area like cities, but the cost to set up the metropolitan area network will be high. The cost is becoming high or increasing. Same in case of WAN. WAN, multiple countries, so to set up the network in multiple countries, so you can think, okay, it's clear, the setup cost will be more than the MAN. So, but the speed will be good, or you can set the network. In case of WAN, you can set the network or provide the network facility on such areas there network you can't set up PAN, LAN or CAN or small networks, okay? So it can cover, WAN can cover these kinds of area also. So students, these all are the types of networks. So once again, let us do revision. PAN will cover one room, or you can say up to 10 to 12 meters. LAN can cover up to 1 kilometer or a particular building. CAN can cover 1 to 5 kilometers or a campus like a university or factory, or where departmental wise processing will go. MAN can cover cities, metropolitan area network can cover cities, and WAN can cover countries, multiple countries or more than one countries. So your internet, Internet is possible because of that WAN. Because if you are present in India and your friend is present in US and you want to talk with your friend, so how it's possible? By using internet. And so WAN is a type of internet, okay, huge network connected worldwide. So students, these are the examples of types of network. Some advantages and disadvantages are given in your book. You have to read these advantages and disadvantages. Thank you.